The biochemistry of love, attraction, and sex. The intoxicating feelings of love, the magnetic pull of attraction, and the primal drive of sex are not just poetic experiences but are deeply rooted in a complex interplay of chemicals within our brains and bodies. From the initial spark of desire to the deep comfort of long-term attachment, a symphony of hormones and neurotransmitters orchestrates our romantic and sexual lives. At the forefront of this biochemical cascade are key players like dopamine, norepinephrine, serotonin, oxytocin, vasopressin, testosterone, and estrogen. These substances work in concert, often in distinct but overlapping stages, to shape our emotions, motivations, and behaviors.
The stages of love, a chemical perspective.
While not always a linear progression, the journey of love is often described in 3 phases, each with its dominant biochemical signature.
Lust, the spark of desire.
This initial stage is primarily driven by the sex hormones, testosterone, in both men and women, and estrogen. These hormones fuel libido and the craving for sexual gratification. Testosterone, in particular, plays a significant role in igniting sexual interest and drive.
Attraction, the honeymoon phase.
As infatuation takes hold, a different cocktail of chemicals comes into play. This is the stage of heightened energy, focused attention on the beloved, and often, a sense of euphoria. Dopamine. This neurotransmitter, a key component of the brain's reward system, is released when we engage in pleasurable activities, including spending time with someone we are attracted to. It creates feelings of bliss, pleasure, and motivation to seek out the object of our affection, sometimes leading to a near-addictive state. Norepinephrine, noradrenaline. Responsible for the exhilarating, heart-pounding sensations associated with new love, norepinephrine increases alertness, energy, and excitement. It can cause a racing heart, sweaty palms, and a feeling of being on cloud 9. Serotonin. Interestingly, during the early, obsessive stages of attraction, levels of serotonin may decrease. This drop is thought to contribute to the intrusive, all-consuming thoughts about the loved one, similar to patterns seen in obsessive-compulsive disorder.
Attachment, the bond of lasting love.
As the initial intensity of attraction mellows, the focus shifts towards building a lasting bond. This stage is characterized by feelings of calm, security, and connection. Oxytocin. Often dubbed the cuddle hormone or love hormone, oxytocin is released during physical intimacy, such as hugging, kissing, and sexual activity. It plays a crucial role in social bonding, trust, and feelings of closeness and attachment between partners. It is also vital in mother-infant bonding. Vasopressin. This hormone is also linked to long-term commitment and attachment. Studies, particularly in prairie voles known for their monogamous relationships, suggest vasopressin plays a role in fostering pair bonding and protective behaviors towards a partner.
The interplay of chemicals.
It's important to understand that these biochemicals don't operate in isolation. They interact in intricate ways. The rush of dopamine and norepinephrine during the attraction phase can make the experience feel incredibly rewarding and motivating. Oxytocin released during sex can deepen feelings of attachment, reinforcing the bond created by the initial attraction. The stress hormone cortisol can also be elevated in the initial stages of falling in love, possibly contributing to the crisis feeling of being love-struck and marshalling the body's resources to focus on this new, important relationship. Pheromones, chemical signals released by the body, are also thought to play a subtle role in initial attraction, although their influence in humans is still a subject of ongoing research. In essence, the journey of love, attraction, and sex is a dynamic biological process. While the experience is profoundly personal and emotional, the underlying biochemistry provides a fascinating glimpse into the powerful forces that draw us together and help us form meaningful connections. Understanding this chemical basis doesn't diminish the magic of love but rather adds another layer to its complexity and wonder.